Hi, my name is Alex and I want to talk to you about OpenFaaS. Now OpenFaaS stands for Open Functions as a Service, and OpenFaaS is seeking to make serverless functions simple. Now we want to be able to run those functions on any platform through Docker Swarm or Kubernetes, and there are also some other options in the community too. In this video I want to tell you a little bit about the early history before we got a logo, how we came to get that, and the swag we've produced since. Now I want your support through Patreon, and I just want to tell you a little bit about how that will help us. So here we go. Now this is a project that I started over 12 months ago and has grown way beyond what I ever expected. We now have over 70 contributors. A lot of them are active, over 300 people in the Slack community, and we even have people that are giving us real production case studies of how they're using OpenFaaS, and I think it's really fantastic. Now this has all been possible because of the diverse and rich community that's grown up around the project. One of the things that I think has also been really helpful is the branding and the logo. Now I have to thank Jacob Smith at Packet for helping me out with the logo. When I started to think about a new name for the project, people were getting confused by the name FaaS. Even I was getting confused because I never knew if someone was talking about our project or not. We came up with lots of suggestions and I settled on OpenFaaS. The community at the time seemed to like the name too, and then we came up with the logo that you can see behind me. Now since we've had that logo, there's also been a small website that Jacob helped me design, and what I really love is the FaaS Friday campaign that we've been running, where people have had the chance to win swag by tweeting a photo of their laptop with OpenFaaS website open, and some other stuff too, like a cool function or maybe just the first thing that they've done. So we have these pin badges, and I'm really proud of the Simply Serverless magnets. The thing that I love the most though is the t-shirt, and it looks like this. And then on the back we have #serverless and the website. Now one thing I'd really love to be able to do is to be able to put this into the hands of all of the top contributors, and when somebody wins FaaS Friday to be able to ship them something as nice as a t-shirt. Now these do add up, they're actually quite expensive. And so I started a Patreon campaign back in November, and so far we've had about 10 to 20 people sign up, all pledging small amounts every month, and that's been adding up. But it's still really small amount in the grand scheme of things. So what I'd love to do is to see more people giving to the project and helping on Patreon, so that we can actually take things like this new mailer and put a t-shirt in there for you next time we get a top tweet, or we have a new contributor that we want to really thank. So I think you could really help, just a small amount each month. When we add it up, we'll really make a difference. Now, Kelsey Hightower tweeted today about open source projects. He said, as a maintainer, it's like working as an air steward for an airline where all the tickets are free and everyone wants to tell you how to run the plane. Well, I think our community is a bit nicer than that, but this is run by volunteers. We're doing this on our own time, and we're trying to create something cool that we want to use and that you'll want to use too. So please help us. Check out Patreon and see which reward you're interested in, become a backer of the project and donate some money towards us. I really hope to be able to get to some of our goals on Patreon this year. Thank you.